Hi guys, today I am showing how to do perfect soldering in board or wire. Let's go to the video. Hi guys, today I am showing how to soldering. What is the use of this paste? Let's go to the video. This is the old soldering. I can remove it and pick out old solder lead. And you can clean that, and this paste is useful for soldering. Sticking is the so useful paste. It will stick the tight and it will hold for while the soldering lead, and you can easily put and you can easily solder. The simple soldering is made in the board. Please safely solder it and do not over solder, because the small wires created heat means it won't work. Like this you can solder. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment yourself.